welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called sampling plan. A sampling plan is a term widely used in research studies that provide an outline on the basis of which research is conducted. It tells which category is to be surveyed, what should be the sample size, and how the response should be chosen out of the population. Sampling plan is a base from which the research starts and includes the following three major decisions. One, what should be the sampling unit? That is, choosing the category of the population to be surveyed is the first and the foremost decision in a sampling plan that initiates the research. Example, that is in the case of banking industry, should the sampling unit consist of current account holders, saving account holders, or both? Should it include male or female account holder? This decision once made, then sampling frame is designed to give everyone, the target population, equal chance of being sampled. The second decision in sampling plan is determining the size of sample. That is, how many objects in the sample is to be surveyed. Generally, larger the sample size, the more is the reliability, and therefore researchers try to cover as many as samples possible. The final decision that completes the sampling plan is selecting the sampling procedure. That is, which method can be used such that every object in the population has an equal chance of being selected. Generally, the researchers uses probability sampling to determine the object to be chosen, as this represents the sample more accurately. Thanks for watching. Bye.